Today, we're going to dive into the best calibration settings for your Hisense U7N TV to improve the picture quality. If you want to get the most out of your TV, these tweaks will make a big difference. Start by choosing either the theater day or theater night mode. These modes tend to give the most accurate color representation and are a solid foundation for further calibration. Next, adjust the brightness to somewhere between 37 and 38. This setting helps your TV adapt to the lighting conditions in your room. You can increase it if your room is brighter or lower it if it's darker. For contrast, set it to 38. This balances the highlights and shadows, giving you a nice, well-rounded picture where bright areas stand out without losing the detail in dark scenes. When it comes to black levels, set it to 1 or 2. This deepens the blacks, making dark scenes look richer and more immersive, without losing any shadow details. Now, for some advanced calibration. Set the color temperature to warm too. This provides a natural, balanced tone, which works well for most content and keeps the colors from looking too warm or too cool. For local dimming, go with medium. This setting improves contrast without causing that halo effect around bright objects, also known as blooming. Set the sharpness to 0. This prevents the TV from applying artificial edge enhancements that can make the image look unnatural and lead to unwanted halos. Turn noise reduction off. While noise reduction can be helpful for some, it can soften fine details and reduce clarity, so it's better to leave it off for the sharpest picture. Finally, set motion enhancement to clear. This reduces motion blur while keeping the image smooth, but avoids the soap opera effect that can happen with higher settings.